back to my channel. Today I will be sharing several unboxings and a lot of planner updates. So I have a lot coming in and I'm very excited to switch up a few things and then share a few updates in a couple of my planners. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to start with this order from 8LOTUS. All right, so in this first order from 8LOTUS, I have a few items. So first are these work stickers. I'm just refilling these because I've been having a lot of meetings lately and just primarily need those stickers. But I always try and pick these up whenever they're in stock, and I'm doing an 8LOTUS order. Next up is these financial inserts for my pocket. So I've decided to upgrade my rings, and so I'm waiting for those to come in. And then once they come in, I will be setting up my pocket as my financial planner. And so I'm gonna have a full video on that, but I've just decided to upgrade the rings because you can't fit anything in them. And I wasn't really using like the calendar aspect in there. And so I decided to make it more functional. And so I really want to make it my finance agenda. So I will be doing that in a separate video, but we got these in. And then I ordered the weekly overview inserts, and these are the dated inserts. So I was using the undated version of these for my weeks, and I was about to run out, so I figured I would just do the dates, especially since it's in January. And I'm just gonna replace the current ones with these. Okay, and now to put everything in use. So let me try and zoom out just a bit. So here is my main agenda, and so not much has changed in here. If you saw my flip, and I'll leave a link below to all of my setups. Another thing that came in off camera are these dashboards from Cloth and Paper. It's really nice to use these and organize my weekly inserts with them. So I'm still gonna do that with the dated. Let me take a few things out. So I'm just gonna take out all of these. So 6 months in here, and I think we're going to continue to do that. So we're going to put the January dashboard up front, and then what I don't like about these is that I wish the first week started off on one page and not with the dashboard. It was like that with the daily inserts as well, because I don't want to have, I just wish this was a separate sheet, but that's just being very nitpicky. But we're gonna put January in here. And so just to show y'all how these look in comparison to the undated. So everything's exactly the same. You just have the dates before the day of the week, and then it tells you what week number it is. And then of course you just have the month instead of weekly. So everything else is the same. So it's still, everything's gonna have the same functionality. So here's the end of January, and then, so we're gonna put in the February dashboard, and then I'm just gonna do this for each month. And so underneath this tab, we'll have my weekly agenda cover from 8LOTUS Paper Co., each dashboard for each week, and that way there's just some organization. So we're almost done with the month, so I'm gonna get my ollie clip, and so I just like clipping the remainder of the weeks. So I just like clipping the current week to the current week in here, so that way I can easily flip between the two. So we're gonna do that, and then that is the weekly inserts. All right, and then next up is another order from 8LOTUS. So this order is just some undated daily inserts for my HP Mini. So this is my work planner, and I love it. And let me just show y'all. So if you haven't seen the initial setup, again, I'll have the 2021 playlist linked below. So for a while, I was just trying to use the weekly insert so I could have everything in one spot. But I don't know if y'all can see this. I have so much to do in one week, and on the daily basis, and it was just becoming overwhelming. I had so many extra sticky notes everywhere with everything that I needed to do, and I can have so many meetings in one day, and it was just a lot to keep like throwing them all in these boxes, and it just became a disorganized mess. And so I decided to get some daily inserts because I do need daily inserts for work. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the weekly inserts in here because I like, again, having that overview. It's just that this isn't an overview, this is a mess. And so what I think I'll do is I can start using this today dashboard with the daily inserts. So I'll put this one right here. And then this will mark where I'm at in the week, and this will mark the day. So yeah, so other than that, that is everything in here. And I don't need like a million daily inserts in here, so I'm just gonna put this up, and once I need to refill them, I'll put them in here. I might just do 1 month at a time or 1 pack at a time, because I don't really go back and look at the daily inserts for the most part, unless it's throughout the month. Generally, I look back on the daily inserts during the week. I think I'm probably just gonna keep a full month in here of daily and then just archive them, so if I ever do need to go look back at them, I have that. So that is my work planner in that order. And then the last order in this video is from Cloth and Paper. So let's open this up. All right, and then in here, I do only have one thing. I feel really bad they used all these boxes for these really small orders, but I ordered the monthly glass dividers in the pocket size for my PM agenda. So as I mentioned, this is going to become my finance agenda. And so I'm probably going to keep 6 months in here. I'm not sure when the rings are coming in. I did see, because the rings are coming from Europe, that it could take probably a month. I did see that it did, I think it's in the United States now, so it should be hopefully this week or next week. But when they come in, I'll do a separate video on the setup. For now, I am going to put these in here with y'all so y'all can see how they look. I got the gold because I wanted to match the rings. So we're just going to take all this out, and I just want to show y'all how things look. Okay, so again, I'm probably either going to keep 6 months or 3 months. It all depends how much bigger the rings are and what I can fit in here. But this is how they look, and I just think they're so cute. I love the pocket size items because they're just so little. But yeah, these are the dividers. Right now I'm going to take out the last 6 months, and then we're going to put in the Infinite Lotus order. Okay, so it looks like this 6 months fits in here perfectly fine. So I'm just going to probably keep it like this until the new rings come in. But here is how everything looks in here. And I just think this is so cute. So I'm trying to keep my finances to the point this year, just because I've always done like so many extra things, and I stopped using it. So I think this is going to be like the perfect mix of what I like need. But yeah, other than that, that is how those look. I think I might add in the monthly overview, and then the Salty 22 previously JL plans dashboard just up front, and that way it hides the expenses. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.